Successive blending sounds like Fred. It helps students work on blending the sounds in succession. So instead of waiting all the way till they get to the end of the word, they put the sounds together all along the way. It can feel a little convoluted, and it isn't a strategy that all students need to do, or one all students need to do forever. But for students who struggle to blend the whole word, this is a super helpful strategy because it helps them blend along the way. It is great for many of my intervention students, and it's one you should try out.